Hello and welcome to Cadence Design Systems Fidelity Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use the feature or demonstrate the technique in just a few minutes. Today, I want to show you how to edit a source shape after its creation in Fidelity Pointwise. Source shapes are great tools for controlling grid resolution on the surface of the geometry, as well as in the volume mesh. In Fidelity Pointwise, you can create these size field influencers, as we call them, based on some primitive shapes. Once created, the user can specify their desired grid resolution or spacing inside the source shape, which can be either constant throughout the entire shape or it can be parametrically varied. Now, what if you created a source shape and generated the mesh, but then realize you want to change the shape of this source? Maybe you want to adjust the sizing or its location with respect to the geometry. Let me show you how to do that very easily without having to start from scratch. So here I have a wing body configuration, and I've already created a source shape around the wingtip to capture the tip vortex. Now let's say I would like to make some changes and adjust this source shape. So what I can do is that I can select the source shape and go to Edit, Shape. Now here you can see I have all the options available to me uh, for changing this shape. Basically, I can actually go ahead and make adjustments to the radius in the back. And you can actually see the original outline of the geometry of the shape, the original one. And I can make adjustments here, maybe to the at the top and at the base. I can even extend this if I want it. I can change the length of the shape if I want it. But not only that, I can actually make some additional adjustments, like perform some transformations. I can translate the shape if I want it, like that. I could even rotate the shape, and it's putting all these control arrows at the base. I can actually change the pivot to top. This way, let's say I want to add an angle of attack, so I can actually apply that right there. I can even scale the geometry if I want it, maybe in one specific direction. I can actually expand this so you can actually see that it's becoming an oval shape, just like that. So once I'm happy with all these adjustments, I can actually go ahead and accept that and click OK to make adjustments to the shape. Let me do one more thing, go back to the drawing mode, and I can even change the shape at the tip and make it spherical. I like that. And I can just move it back to this position. Okay, this is all. I like this. I can click OK, and I made adjustments to this shape. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please drop us a line down below or connect with us on LinkedIn, which is linked in the description. Thank you all and have a pleasant Tuesday.